Hello my friends, it is Jennifer of Brooms by Jenza, and I'm here at the hen house in Chepachet, Rhode Island, where I sell many of my brooms, usually the more traditional, the more practical, useful household items. Well, I've been known to sell some witchy stuff, but here at the hen house, I love that, to make those traditional, that you are going to use in your house, and it's just beautiful to use. So every month I'm going to be picking a different style of broom, hand broom, whisk, and talking about that. So first up here is actually a veggie brush. So what it makes it a veggie brush, it has the light swept side, so a little softer, and then it has a harder side for scrubbing, harder stuff. And with vegetable brushes, you always usually have like something you can hold in the middle here. And this is just braid work. They can have just that, but I like to do the braid work when I can. So soft this side, a little harder. So you might have a softer vegetable, mushroom, that you just need to get off some of the little dirt. Or you might have a tougher, like tubular, like a potato, that you really want to scrub that skin. Even a carrot. This would actually probably peel off the first layer of a carrot. Not being a big vegetable eater, I've never tried that, but I bet you could. Ooh, and even score, what do I like to do? Cucumbers. Do you ever take like a fork and do a cucumber? You might be able to do it with that. This one's a little uneven. That kind of helps give you those lines. A lot of times the scrubbers will be a bit more flat. Neither way is wrong. If you need it a little bit more flat, if you bought one like this that has just a couple ones sticking up, but you want a flatter. For a veggie brush, I wouldn't have it too flat, but for say you needed it, you could cut off the tops there. So this would be a veggie brush. How do you wash it? How do you clean it? It's not a soap and water thing. You would just take some hot water, or boil it, some hot water, dip this into a pot, about a minute or two, pull it out, and now it is nice and sanitary. This is real broom corn. It is a natural material. So if you were left it to be soggy for a long time or were very humid, it could get some mold. And now you can go compost it and get a new one. But environmentally, I find them much better than the plastic that we're gonna get, and that's why I use them. For sturdiness, I do use nylon. So this is a nylon twine here. I have tried hemp and other natural materials, but to get it tight like you need to, it could just break. And I'd rather it be sturdy, so I do use the nylon twine. So that is the first in our series that we're talking about. We're going to do all the kitchen ones first. So this would be, again, your veggie brush. So for the hard, for the lighter, more delicate. Any questions? Let me know. And you'll be able to find something like this online at my shops on the Emporium, or here in beautiful Chepachet at the hen house. Have a great day, and let me know what you think about the veggie brush. Oh, they make great gifts. Just say that. Goodbye, my friends.